Looking for the best Nintendo Switch wall mounts? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 Nintendo Switch wall mounts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. HIDEit, Nintendo Switch Mount. Pros. The HIDEit wall mount is made from a sturdy steel material. The included screws and anchors ensure this reliable wall mount will keep your console safe and secure. HIDEit is designed to fit the Switch perfectly, not too loose or too tight. The minimalist design allows for easy, slide-out access to the Switch at any time. Cons. Mounts flat against the wall, which doesn't allow for much ventilation. Bottom line. You can count on this high-quality steel mount to safely keep your Nintendo Switch on the wall. At number 2. Monzlteck Wall Mount for Nintendo Switch. Pros. The Monzlteck mount sits roughly 2 inches away from the wall to allow proper ventilation. We love the additional smaller mount, which is designed to hold the controller. A layer of thin padding on the sides of the mount are in place to protect the dock from potential scratching. Cons. Access to USB ports is slightly awkward while the console is mounted. Bottom line. A well-designed wall mount that combines aesthetic design and practicality at a competitive price. At number 1. Total Mount Wall Mount for Nintendo Switch. Pros. The mount is lightweight, but sturdy. Included materials and instructions made installation simple. There is even a built-in level on this mount to ensure you hang it evenly. Easily dock and undock the console with no obstruction from the mount. Dark plastic material has a smooth finish that looks stunning on the wall. Cons. The included screws are quite short. For peace of mind, you may want to use longer ones. Bottom line. A simple, but effectively designed wall mount that can be installed on almost any surface. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.